Hey buddy, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share you how to master speaking Chinese in a short amount of time. How was the last lesson? Did it feel like there is a lot of character to write? Maybe a bit overwhelming? Don't get discouraged and don't give up. There is a Chinese saying, 尽力而为, which means just do the best you can. Everyone's abilities are different. Some people pick up these things quickly, while others need more time. That's totally normal. Today, we are going to learn 3 new initial consonants, n, l, and g. We will also combine them with the simple vowels we have learned before and learn a few new Chinese words. These words are personal pronouns, and we will explore their difference between Chinese and English, as well as how to read and write them. Before we start, please head to my YouTube post and download the stroke order charts for these 3 initials. Print it out so you can practice writing at the paper. Alright, let's get started. The first initial, n, sounds like a lot like the n in na. Pay attention to the pronunciation technique. Your upper teeth touch your tongue tip and the sound comes from your nasal cavity. To write it, start with a vertical line on the left. Then on the right, write a short horizontal line with a semicircle arc, and without stopping, continue with the vertical line downward. It's very similar to how we wrote more before. Okay, let's read it 3 times. N, n, n. The second initial, l, sounds like the l in late. The pronunciation is similar. Unlike n, you don't use your nasal cavity for l. The sound comes directly from your mouth. L, it is even similar, just a single vertical line. Okay, let's read it 3 times. L, l, l. The third initial is g, has a pronunciation similar to the k, g. In get, it sounds like combined with the simple vowel read in the first tone. G, the sound gives us the Chinese character for g, the bird that's symbolizes peace, written as 鸽子 in full. To write it, start with a semicircle on the left. Then on the right, write a vertical line with another semicircle at the bottom, but don't let it touch the bottom line like this. Okay, let's read it 3 times. G, g, g. Now that we have learned the 3 initials, let's move on to 3-person pronouns in Chinese. Aside from a first-person pronoun, the other 2 words will be formed by combined initials and simple vowels we have already learned. Go to my YouTube post and download the chart. You can read these characters there and practice writing them following the stroke order. The first-person pronoun 我, look at the pin above the chart. If you ignore the initial, its pronunciation is the same as the simple vowel or in the third tone. Follow me. 我,我, third tone. In English, the first-person pronoun changes depending on its role. I as the subject, me as the object. my as a possessive, and mine in specific cases. But in Chinese, you only need one word, 我. You don't have to memorize as much as in English. Let me give you some examples. 我是芒果道长 English, I'm 芒果道长。你正在看的是我 English, you are watching me. 这是我的中文学习课程 English, this is my Chinese learning class. 这是我的笔 English, this pen is mine. See, in English, you need to remember so many forms, but in Chinese, you just need 我. Look at these four Chinese sentences. The first person pronoun is with just 我, used in every context. Chinese is so much simpler. Follow my stroke order and write it. First, come on, alright, done writing? Read it 3 times. 我. Here is your homework. Use this sentence to introduce your name. 我是. Fill in the blank with your name. Chinese or English, either works. If you'd like, share it in the comments below this video. Next, let's look at the second person pronoun, 你. This uses the initial n we just learned, combined with the simple verb 一 from a previous lesson. In the third turn, 呢以你. This is the second person pronoun. In English, it's you as the subject, yours as a possessive, and your in other cases. But in Chinese, it's just one word, 你. No matter the position, here are some examples. 你是一个好朋友 English, you are a good friend. 我是你的好朋友 English, I'm your good friend. 我作为一个你的好朋友 English, I'm a good friend, yours. Say this sentence. The second person pronoun 你 is used in every position. No need to memorize as much as in English. Follow my stroke order and write it. Read it 3 times. 你. For the third person pronoun, like English, Chinese distinguishes between male, female, and non-human cases. All three share the same pronunciation. Initial t plus the simple verb a in the first term, t, a, ta. The first case is the masculine ta. In English, it's he as the subject, him as the object, and his as a possessive. In English, in Chinese, you only need one. 他 examples. 他在学中文 English. He is learning Chinese. 他的中文很好 English. His Chinese is good. 谁最擅长讲中文？是他 English. Who is the best at speaking Chinese? It's him. Follow my stroke order and write it. Let's read it 3 times. 他. Second case of the third person pronoun is the feminine 她. In English, it's she as the subject. Here's as a possessive, and here in other cases. In Chinese, just one. 他 examples. 他很努力地学习中文 English. He studies Chinese very hard. 讲得最好的中文是他的 English. The best Chinese she speaks is hers. 是他 English. It's here. Write it with me. Compared to the masculine line, 他 only the left part is different. Let's read it 3 times. 他 Finally, the third case of the third person pronoun is for non-humans, like objects or events. 他 the pronunciation is still 他. In English, it's it as the subject and it's in other cases. In Chinese, just one. 他 examples. 它是浅蓝色的 English, it is light blue. 小狗摇着它的尾巴 English, the dog wagged its tail. Write it with me. The stroke order is pretty simple. Wow, I have to say you are amazing. Let's read it 3 times. 他 You have made it this far in the video and followed along with the series. You are going to become an incredible version of yourself. Keep practicing and we will learn 3 more initials and some new characters in the next lesson. I'm Mango 道长, a novelist teaching spoken Chinese, and our motto is never give up. See you next time.